Hey BioLays, I'm here to talk to you about doing difficult things. And in doing so, I'm going to jump in 40-degree water. So, bear with me. Let me jump on in. Oh. All right. Oh. So, we've made it into July. And really excited with where things are going. Had a number of successful WETPs. But first thing I want to talk about is, have you ever taken a cold plunge? If not, it's something that people just don't do on a whim. It's uncomfortable. It can be downright painful. But I swear there are a lot of people that don't realize the benefits that you get from taking a cold plunge. It increases your immune system, improves your circulation, helps you recover from injury, and decreases inflammation in your body. So why is taking a cold plunge difficult? It's something that we don't want to do. Our bodies go into a fight or flight situation where it feels like we're in danger. We can start to panic, get anxious, stressed. And I wanted to highlight this as a great analogy for sales. I think that when we take a cold plunge, it's a lot like doing difficult things when we go out and react to our doctors. Sales can be difficult, they can be uncomfortable. Cold calls, sorry about the dad joke there, but cold calls, following up on leads, travel away from our family, lunch and learns, even getting up in the morning and just getting out the door can be difficult. So there will be times when you're feeling like you don't want to be rejected, you feel discouraged. The idea is that it's cold. The idea is that we get out and push through it. We want to achieve great things. Just like taking a cold plunge, sales can be rewarding. When you help a doctor meet expectations and goals that they want to meet, you are also going to benefit as well. So doing difficult things to accomplish goals can be great in helping you accomplish the things you want to get done. Just like cold plunge, the more you do those difficult things in sales, the more you grow. The opportunity you have to overcome and become stronger and more resilient. So if you are going to be a success at sales, you need to encourage and embrace the cold. Don't shy away from challenges, but instead take the opportunities to learn and grow every day. And after doing it a while, who knows? You may get accustomed to the stressors. Again, 40 degrees is pretty cold, but I want you guys to have a great month of July. Remember, we got some great advanced education. Get it in your doctor's offices, and we'll talk with you soon.